Do you want to know how you can sign up for Copilot AI? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up for Copilot AI. Go ahead and search for Copilot AI sign up, scroll a bit down and click on this link which says Copilot AI, and it will lead you to this page. In order for you to sign in, you can write down your email address, or you can continue with your Facebook or LinkedIn account. If you don't have an account yet and want to create one, go ahead and click connect with us, which is over here, and you can see what interest you have. Go ahead and click on your interest. You can choose your roles and click continue. Then you can connect with them using your email address, Facebook or LinkedIn. If you want to continue your LinkedIn or Facebook, make sure that you are logged into this browser on your Facebook or LinkedIn. And if you want to log in using your email address, just go ahead and write down your email address here. Let me click on Facebook and you can see that you can continue with Facebook as well as the email address. So let's go ahead and click on the email address and you can see that you can explore connect, and there you go. This is how you sign up for your copilot.ai. If you go to settings, you can see that you have already signed up for it and it is fully functionable, and you can see there are a lot of careers and lot of things which you can see, and you can also upload your CV over here, and you can see there are some career sites over here. Go ahead and click start and click on job openings, and you can see there are all jobs over here. Click on all jobs and these are some of the jobs available right now. So guys, this is how you sign up for Copilot AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.